Hello, my name is Miss Barbara, and this is a quick tutorial on how to use Beanstack. Remember, our URL is wataugatx.beanstack.org, and our summer reading program is from June the 22nd through August the 28th. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit, it's going to ask you to register an individual or family or register a class or group. This is a great option if you have a large group that you would like to register for the summer reading program. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to click an individual or family. Have you used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge? We're going to say no since this is our first year. Who would you like to register? You can just do yourself if you're an adult or a teen, or you are an adult and you want to register your family. We're going to click that. And as you can see, I kind of got her started a little bit. For first name, I chose Gold. Last name, Fish. My username is Water12. And for email, you want to make sure you put one in there just in case you forget your password. Phone number, I just put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 10-digit number, no dashes. I put in a zip code. And I'm going to make sure I have a good password there. And remember to write down your password so you don't forget it. Because of privacy issues, we are not allowed to keep up with your password. And now you have put in all of their adult information. Everything that you did here first is all, as you can see, is adult information. And when you scroll back down, it asks for reader information. It's going to be your child's name. So my child name is Blue. Last name, Fish. My child is 6 years old, and my child will be going to the first grade. And what school will my child be going to? I'm going to say Whitley Road Elementary School. This little boy. All right, we're going to choose next. As you can see, when you put in something wrong, the red bar will pop up. And it tells me there was something wrong with the phone number. So now I'm going to go back and I am going to put in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Make sure you enter a 10-digit phone number. As you can see, it will not let me go forward unless I have a correct number. So I'm just going to put in 1. All right, I'm going to go back down. We're going to click next again. Green, and I have just unlocked my first badge. Now, for the sake of time, we're not going to add another child, but you will continue for every child, you will continue to hit yes. But we're going to click no. And now it's going to ask if I want to register. And then I'm going to say yes. So I have also registered myself and my child for the summer reading program. And it said, how old are you? And I'm going to say I am, let's go with the age of 31. What grade level will you be this fall? I am an adult. What school would you go to this fall? I'm an adult. And I'm the mom. Just hit next. And now my badge is unlocked. And now it asks me would I like to add another adult. You can add another adult if you want to at this point, but I'm going to say no. Great, I am all set up. I'm going to click continue. And this is what my page will look like. It's going to take me back to this page. And over here on this side, as you can see, all of my family members, myself, and my family members are right here. And that's how you register for the summer reading program. All right, and as you can see, you have all of your challenges and activities that you can earn right here. You log all of your time right at the corner where it says log reading and activities. Okay, guys, our next step is we're going to learn about log reading and activities. The next thing we want to do for Bluefish, I want to log Bluefish reading time. So it's up here. I'm going to click that. And this summer we did everything by minutes. And our goal is to read up to 3,000 minutes this summer, a total of 50 hours. So I'm going to click minutes. And I'm going to scroll down right up on the calendar. It says time spent reading. I just know that Blue read up to about 7 hours this week. I'm going to put in 7 hours. And the title is optional. If you want to do it, it's optional for the author as well. Would you like to include a review? If you want to, you can also include a review about what Blue has read, or Blue can draw a picture as well and place it in. So we're going to log our 7 hours of reading time for Blue. Great job. So now these are all of our badges that we have unlocked for our 7 hours of reading. So we have a total of 7 hours. And our next thing we're going to do is we'll come up to this little X up here, and we're going to close out of it. And it'll take us back to our home page. And if you want to check and see the badges that Blue has earned, we're going to click Earn Badges. And as you can see, Blue has earned up to 7 hours worth of badges. And there are a total of 50 hours of badges that can be earned. What about rewards? For all of that reading, have Blue earned anything? If you click on rewards, you won a prize from the treasure chest. As you can see, it tells you a little bit about the treasure chest, and when you have earned your prize, it will let you know if you have won anything over in this under rewards. So I'm going to go back over to challenge badges. And it shows that I am registered and I have yet to complete the program. So when I finish all 3,000 minutes, this will turn into a beautiful color for a complete challenge. Now, what if I am the parent and I just want to log my own hours? I will come back over here and I'm going to choose myself Goldfish. And I want to log my time I have been reading as an adult. You would do the same. Click log reading and activities. And I have done 10 hours of reading because I listened to an audiobook on my way back to and from work. I'm going to log that 10 hours and it's saving. Great. I have earned the apprentice badge for 10 hours worth of reading. And as you can see, it lets me know as an adult, I have earned a ticket to go into a drawing for the end of summer. Close it out. Now, my next thing, you're probably wondering about activity badges. I'm going to click activity badges. There's nothing that's lit up because I have yet to log any activity time. So I'm going to go back up, click log reading and activities, click activities, and I'm going to say I attended a virtual program. I logged onto Facebook, and Blue and I Blue and I had attended story time virtually once we logged into Facebook. So this is a text box. So I want to say I attended story time this week with Blue. We watched a video all about animals. And we also watched a magic show. Remember, all of our programs are virtually this summer. And I click here. Great. Now I have a badge unlocked under virtual, attend a virtual program. And I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to X out. All right, so now I have earned activity badges and I've earned login badges. Remember, login badges are badges you earn for reading. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click Earn Badges. And as the mom, I have earned, of course, I registered for the program and I did 10 hours of reading, and it shows that each badge is worth an hour. 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. And I also earned an activity badge. We're going to scroll back up. And just remember, if you click overview, it will take you back to your home page, but it just has minutes and activities. There's are a total, I read 10 hours out of 50, and I've completed one of 6 activities. Now, remember, if you are a parent and you have a late starter who decides they want to enter later in the summer for the summer reading program, you can come over and click Add a Reader. And it would give you that option again is I'm an adult registering in a child, or if you have another adult that wants to register along on your account for the summer. And we're going to click back over to challenges. And it takes me back to my home page. Just remember to go on an adventure to collect treasure. Log your reading to earn badges and rewards from our special treasure chest. For every 5 hours of reading, kids and teens get to choose a prize from the treasure chest. All adults that complete the program names will go into a drawing at the end of the program. Read up to 3,000 minutes to complete the program. And that is basically Beanstack for the summer. Have fun, guys. And to sign out, we'll come over here to this little setting. And we're going to click sign out. And that is the end of our Beanstack tutorial.